This, the Ford Capri, this is the aftermath of the mess of removing all the foam, which Ford in their infinite wisdom thought would make the cars quieter and smoother, but in actual fact creates rust, moisture against what would have been the panel here before, and you end up with it rusting. So it all has to be removed. This is what Ford would have done from the factory on their the Cologne built cars, I'm led to believe, the later Capris and in the Granada gears. And it was all inside here and all completely inside here, right the way up inside there. Just created all these holes. Ready to repair the inner arch, put a new outer arch on and make a new corner and a new sill. As a car this age goes, it's not had huge amounts of work on it in the past, so she's entitled to have a bit of tin worm in her. Yeah, it doesn't look like a bad car by any means. So, well worth doing. I had several Capris in my misspent youth. I prefer the look of the Mark 1. I think they're a prettier car. And if I could have one, it would be a 3 litre Mark 1, just for the fun of it. Just picking the more interesting bits for the customer to show him what was done and why it was done. Take a couple of bits of foam so we can see them, and then this lot can go in the bin. The unseen work, they're constantly trying to keep tidy.